Nothing said in this video is financial advice. Hello everybody and welcome to the Investment Hunter channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about digital assets and more specifically XRP. I actually did a video a few weeks ago, now it's about 4 weeks ago, where I talked about XRP potentially heading to 56 or 59 cents, somewhere in that range, before blast off. And we're going to talk more about that today. So we've actually seen that drop coming now. It's actually, I think, fallen below that 56 cent mark. I think the lowest I've seen it is about 53. So we're going to look at the charts in a little bit more in depth today, now that the actual moves happened, and see where the road hopefully will take us back to the upside in the long term. So here we are with XRP against the US dollar on charts.cointrader.pro. In the previous video that I did for XRP, where I anticipated the price going as low as 56 cents on the higher side to 59 cents. Currently it's sitting at 53 cents, so you know it came slightly below my prediction of what I estimated. That was pretty much based off this bar pattern here. All I did was did a copy of that bar pattern, because of the sort of formation the bars had actually started to produce. And I looked at that and I thought, you know what, there's a chance actually of a 70% drop, which we've actually have getting in there now. That 70% has happened. Now it's a question of, will we actually see the rest of these bar patterns sort of, you know, replicate and take us back up to that higher price range of $16 potentially. I'm still expecting $10 to $13 for XRP in the short and medium term anyhow, but I would not be surprised if we still did hit that $15 to $16 price marks possibly in the future as well. Taking that off there, looking for reasons of support. At least we do have that in this sort of price range. We've got previous supports that we can actually utilize here, hopefully, touch wood. The other thing actually I find quite interesting is also we can see that the RSI is actually sub 30, which gives us a good indication that, you know, the lower bottom prices are definitely in at this period in time, and we should start to anticipate a higher move up, because every time the RSI wicks below the sort of 30 line at the very least, if not the 30, it always comes back up. So I do anticipate the prices to come back up in the short term. We can see the price that fell down on the RSI, touched on 30, hooped over the top and came back down. Interestingly enough, we go to Bitcoin, which always sort of leads the market. We can see it also had that fall off, touched the 30, came up, came back down, actually hit on 22 to actually recover, and it's now bouncing back down to 31. Hopefully that's just going to be sort of triple tap formation, so to speak, before it starts to make its continuous climb back up as well. It's all new all-time highs in that 80, 90, 1,000, $100,000 price mark area. So if we track the Bitcoin is moving ahead, as it always does, against the rest of the market, especially against XRP, I would anticipate this RSI formation to happen on the XRP price chart as well. And also thinking bigger picture, you know, going into CoinMarketCap, we can see that it's not just an XRP price problem or price crash, correction, whatever you want to call it. It's a market-wide correction at the moment, predominantly being led by the news of Bitcoin's issues with regards to Elon Musk, environmentally friendliness, China wanting to stop the mining that's going on over there. All these things that are playing a part on the bigger picture, and unfortunately Bitcoin still has an effect on the other altcoins, and regardless of their utility or no utility, depending upon which coin we're talking about. But I'm sure further down the road, coins that actually have utility, having a use case, as it's been mentioned a million times over, will be the ones that succeed in the market and actually will gain genuine price increases. XRP, I am very confident, will be one of them, is the honest truth. There's various things going out in the media. I mean, this was on the Nasdaq.com website from June 17th. You know, Ripple may beat the SEC allegations, but then what? Where it talks about the plans that Ripple actually has going forward with regards to its IPO and some other technical aspects that are going to actually be possibly added to the XRP ledger and all this kind of stuff. You know, there's also this crypto mom who says XRP doesn't have to be a security, you know, because the asset isn't a security. It may have been initially sold in what looks like a security format, but that could just be somewhere where the SEC needs to actually change the way it regulates certain assets, because, you know, digital assets are a new asset class and probably shouldn't be regulated the same way as stocks and shares and other forms of securities have been in the past. And this is all new stuff. This is all we build on. the market for digital assets is still very new, very new. This little fall off of 70% is nothing we haven't seen before. We've seen it before, like I've mentioned, back here in 2017, 73, 72, 73% drop. We've seen drops here from what's that, 80% drop. It's kind of like almost so what, we know when we had the SEC news back here in December last year, you know, that drop there was 75%. 75% knockbacks, nothing. When we had the coronavirus international pandemic back here last year, that was a 63% drop. I mean, that drop there was an international incident, and it only dropped the market by 63%. Bitcoin has a few issues in China and in being environmentally unfriendly, you know, and the whole market pretty much drops 75%. It's for me personally, I'm not actually worried about this whatsoever. This market will recover. XRP, I'm very confident, will make its new all-time highs, hitting that 10-13 price mark that I mentioned before. It's not a concern whatsoever to me. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, please subscribe, and please leave some comments in the comment section below. I'd really appreciate to hear your comments. Until the next time, happy investment hunting, and I'll see you in the next video.